Have you ever needed to make an appointment in English?
Do you know the right words to use when calling or visiting a clinic or office?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about making an appointment.
You'll learn useful English expressions for booking, changing, and confirming appointments.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson is about making an appointment.
Let's practice English together.
Good morning, Green Health Clinic. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Brown, please.
Certainly. Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Emily.
Thank you, Miss Emily.
You're welcome.
What is the reason for your visit?
I'd like to have a general checkup.
Of course. Are you available this Thursday?
What time do you have?
We have 10 a.m. or 2:30 p.m.
The afternoon is better for me.
Great. I'll book you for 2:30 p.m.
Thank you.
Could you arrive 15 minutes early?
Sure, no problem.
Please bring your ID and insurance card.
I will. Can I ask a few questions?
Of course.
How long will the appointment take?
About 30 minutes.
Do I need to fast before my checkup?
No, not for a general checkup.
That's good to know.
Do you have any other questions?
No, that's all.
We're looking forward to seeing you.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Green Health Clinic.
Good afternoon. I have an appointment at 2:30.
May I have your name, please?
Emily.
Thank you. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Please fill out this form.
Certainly.
Let me know if you need any help.
Thank you. Hi, I'd like to change my appointment.
Certainly. What day is your appointment?
It's on Friday morning.
What day would you like instead?
Is Monday afternoon available?
Yes, we have a 3 p.m. appointment.
That works for me.
Your appointment has been changed.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Hello, this is Green Health Clinic.
Hello.
I'm calling to confirm your appointment tomorrow at 2:30 p.m.
Yes, I'll be there.
Wonderful.
Thank you for calling.
Have a nice day.
You too. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for making an appointment.
Practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Question of the day.
Have you ever made an appointment in English?
Tell us your answer in the comments below. Thank you for learning with Everyday English Learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.